The 2025 Toyota Corolla continues to stand as a true icon in the compact car segment, blending reliability, technology, and efficiency into one impressive package. This next-generation Corolla brings a sleek and aerodynamic design that gives it a modern, upscale appearance while staying true to Toyota's reputation for durability and practicality. Under the hood, it offers a choice between a fuel-efficient 2.0-liter dynamic force engine and an advanced hybrid powertrain that delivers exceptional fuel economy without sacrificing performance. The hybrid variant intelligently switches between electric and gasoline power, ensuring smooth acceleration and reduced emissions. A perfect fit for today's eco-conscious drivers. Inside, the Corolla 2025 features a refined and comfortable cabin with high-quality materials, ambient lighting, and a minimalist dashboard centered around a large, high-resolution touchscreen. The infotainment system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, along with a wireless charging pad and multiple USB-C ports for added convenience. The upgraded digital driver display, adaptive cruise control, and lane-keeping assist make driving more intuitive and secure. Toyota's latest Safety Sense 3.0 suite comes standard, offering features like pedestrian detection, road sign assist, blind spot monitoring, and automatic emergency braking, all designed to enhance driver confidence and passenger safety. On the road, the 2025 Corolla provides a smooth, stable ride with improved suspension tuning for better handling and comfort. Whether you're navigating city streets or cruising on the highway, it delivers a quiet and composed driving experience. With impressive fuel efficiency, elegant styling, and class-leading reliability, the new Corolla remains a top choice for both young professionals and families alike. It's not just a car. It's a statement of trust and innovation that keeps evolving with the times. The 2025 Toyota Corolla proves once again why it's one of the most loved and best-selling cars worldwide. A vehicle that's built to last, designed to impress, and engineered to perform with excellence in every mile. So, if you're looking for a car that perfectly balances modern design, smart technology, and long-term dependability, the 2025 Toyota Corolla is ready to redefine your everyday drive.